Welcome back to another This or That Thursday. I'm Megan with Rocky Mountain Sewing and Vacuum, and we are going to be talking about the Pfaff Admire Air 5000 and the Bernette B64. When you're first looking at an airthread serger, both of these sergers come to mind for most of us. Both of them are going to be an airthread 4-thread system, so it can do 4-thread, 3-thread, and 2-thread overlocking. They both are kind of cute looking, I think, and have a lot of punch for their package. So let's start with the Pfaff Admire Air 5000. First off, the color is just kind of cute. Let's be real, it's very adorable. The other thing about this airthread serger is that when you open this up, you'll notice it's actually a pump system. So instead of pressing a button or a foot control, you actually flip that up and push it down, and it will push the air through the machine, making threading very, very easy for you. The other thing I like about this machine is it does have a needle threader built in as well. So once you learn how to use that, it makes your life so much easier with threading needles. However, I do still like to talk about the Bernette B64. One thing I like about this one versus this guy is you'll notice the light on this one's quite a bit brighter. So I think that's really nice. On this one, the threading system is actually going to be a button. So instead of doing a pump like on this guy, it's actually just a little button that will push the air through the machine. I also like the fact that there's a little bit more space here. However, the Pfaff Admire Air 5000 will only take up a smaller footprint on your sewing table versus this guy, which will do a larger one. It does, however, have an extension table and a free arm. So on the B64, it's a little bit easier to do garments or baby clothes or things like that. Both machines are going to be a very powerful air threader for you and are even a great entry-level serger as well, where you don't have to struggle with learning how to thread, but want to be able to serge those knit fabrics and play with your differentials and your stitch length and all of that. It's going to be awesome. If you'd like to come see them in the stores, we all love to talk about these guys, as you well know, and we hope to see you next week on This or That Thursday. Thank you so much for joining me.